Welcome back to Global Knowledge Factory. Before we start, be sure to subscribe for more amazing videos. Which is the outermost planet in the solar system? A. Mercury, B. Pluto, C. Neptune, D. Uranus. Answer is C. Neptune. Severe deficiency of vitamin D results in A. Scurvy, B. Rickets, C. Night blindness, D. None of these. Answer is B. Rickets. The SI unit of charge is A. Ampere, B. Coulomb, C. Ohm, D. Volt. Answer is B. Coulomb. Long side defect could be corrected by using dash lens. A. Concave, B. Convex, C. Diverging, D. None of these. Answer is B. Convex. Deficiency of vitamin A results in A. Night blindness, B. Rickets, C. Scurvy, D. Hair fall. Answer is A. Night blindness. For a fixed mass of gas at constant temperature, if we decrease volume, the pressure will A. Also decrease, B. Increase, C. Remains constant, D. None of these. Answer is B. Increase. The lifespan of red blood cell is dash days. A. 60, B. 120, C. 180, D. 240. Answer is B. 120. The density of water is A. 1 gram per centimeter cube, B. 1.5 gram per centimeter cube, C. 2 gram per centimeter cube, D. None of these. Answer is 1 gram per centimeter cube. Radioactivity was discovered by A. Kelvin, B. Thomson, C. Rutherford, D. Becquerel. Answer is D. Becquerel. A device which converts chemical energy into electrical energy is called A. Motor, B. Generator, C. Moving coil meter, D. Battery. Answer is D. Battery. The sun is A. Star, B. Planet, C. Asteroid, D. Meteor. Answer is A. Star. The gas used in a refrigerator to cool water is A. Nitrogen, B. Carbon dioxide, C. Methane, D. Tetrafluorethane. Answer is D. Tetrafluorethane. The average adult has a blood volume of about dash liters. A4, B5, C6, D7. Answer is B5. The most abundant element in the universe is A. Oxygen, B. Hydrogen, C. Carbon dioxide, D. Silicon. Answer is B. Hydrogen. The most abundant element in the Earth's crust is A. Oxygen, B. Hydrogen, C. Carbon dioxide, D. Silicon. Answer is B. Hydrogen. Each day, human body breathe in dash liters of air. A. 5,000 to 10,000, B. 10,000 to 15,000, C. 15,000 to 20,000, D. 20,000 to 25,000. Answer is B. 10,000 to 15,000. Deficiency of vitamin D results in A. Night blindness, B. Rickets, C. Scurvy, D. Hair fall. Answer is B. Rickets. The SI unit of pressure is A. Pascal, B. Joule, C. Tesla, D. Henry. Answer is A. Pascal. The most densest substance on the earth is A. Platinum, B. Copper, C. Steel, D. Osmium. Answer is D. Osmium. A camera uses dash to form an image. A. Convex lens, B. Concave lens, C. Condenser lens, D. None of these. Answer is B. Convex lens. Which from the following is not a conductor? A. Aluminium, B. Gold, C. Graphite, D. All are conductors. Answer is D. All are conductors. CNG stands for A. Converted natural gas, B. Conduced natural gas, C. Conducted natural gas, D. Compressed natural gas. Answer is D. Compressed natural gas. When white light is passed through a prism, it splits into dash colors. A5, B6, C7, D8. Answer is C7. 1 nanometer is equal to A. 10 raised power minus 3 meter, B. 10 raised power minus 6 meter, C. 10 raised power minus 9 meter, D. 10 raised power minus 12 meter. Answer is C. 10 raised power minus 9 meters. Instrument used for measuring very high temperature is A. Periscope, B. Barometer, C. Seismograph, D. Accelerometer. Answer is B. Barometer. Sound waves are dash waves. A. Transverse, B. Electromagnetic, C. Longitudinal, D. None of these. Answer is C. Longitudinal. The lifespan of white blood cell is dash days. A. 1 to 5 days, B. 3 to 7 days, C. 4 to 8 days, D. 5 to 21 days. Answer is D. 5 to 21 days. The fluid part of blood is known as A. Plasma, B. Platelets, C. Blood cells, D. None of these. Answer is A. Plasma. During winter, the cold countries, the dash is mixed to melt the ice on the icy roads. A. Salt, B. Chlorine, C. Carbon dioxide, D. Water. Answer is A. Salt. Thanks for watching and wait for the next video.